Oh my god, this looks so amazing. What's up guys, we're in this small town called Copacabana or something like that. Don't worry about it. So we came here 3 days ago. Yeah, and first day, because this town is like on an altitude of 4,000 meters above sea level, I was feeling dead. Like I was feeling I had altitude sickness, fever, cold, blah blah blah. What cold is killing me. But I was like, I tried to vlog, but my energy level was like down, but that's okay. We did. So first day, what did we do? So first day in the evening, I'll show you where did we go. The first day in the evening, we went to this place. We're walking up the lookout point. We just saw like one of the best sunset.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
And then on second day, I think we woke up quite late because this place like it gets like super cold in the morning and at night. We woke up like quite late, so we started our day. So at 1 o'clock we took like this tour to this island, and the island is the island of Sun. And this island was pretty cool. Like people can actually go there and stay. Like that's how people do. Like they go there, they stay there one night, and then they come back again to the Copacabana, whatever. Yeah. So we got this boat. It was like 1 hour from Copacabana to that island, and we got the boat from there, and then we went all the way up to that island somewhere here. Yeah, and the island was pretty cool. Like we saw more sort of like local culture over there, and we also saw llama. Like I saw llama for the first time, like super close to me, and it's pretty. So there are people who actually live on this island, and that's their business, to sell like all souvenirs and stuff. Man, this island is like in the middle of nowhere, and it's like super cold. I don't know, I can't imagine like how it would be to live on this island. But I don't really want to fly my drone, but I'm just curious like if I fly, because the range of my drone is like 500 meters up. So I'm just curious like if I fly my drone like 500 meters up, how cool the island would look. I don't know if I should do this or no, because it's a bit windy, but I'm still gonna send it.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
You may now proceed to level 5, gentlemen.
Alright guys, going back to Copacabana from the island, and
Believe me, I need you. Smile more when I'm lonely.
now.
So I was there at the moment, and now I'm going to the one which is next to